Umamzobo useyitholile ke izikhwama uyitholile wayinikwa ke uNomkhosi ngapha ke unkosikazi kaNdlovu ke akasindi kanti uNdlovu usengumkhululi wangempela useze wabhabhadiswa. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Umkhokha from the 2nd to the 6th of December 2024 on Monday. Calamity comes into the lives of one family. Mom Prophet can't help Makhoza. The old Mamzobe resurfaces and she turns dark on Tuesday. Manzimande's word pushed Nomkhosi toward the edge of the cliff. Ndlovu believes he's untouchable, but the prophet thinks otherwise. Lwazi has to cure for Kapsile's war on Wednesday. The Mthembos receives a troubling news that leaves them shattered and fearing the worst. Rage and vengeance sends Nomkhosi into a dark place, and she does the unthinkable on Thursday. Spoklia informed the Mthembos that they can't carry on with their lives or plans. Ndlovu's wife's fear that the case will cause a bad luck in their life, and Lwazi tried to convince his mother to accept Gabisile on Friday. Amidst the harrowing exhumation, Mamzobe fiercely battles to stop the lashing. The young lovers are determined to sacrifice it all to be together. An evil man sits on the throne. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.